All right, foodie adventures. We are in Arcadia, which is part of Phoenix, and we're going to Sogno, Toscano for brunch. All right, so they have like a little market in here that you come with a lot of gluten-free options. All right, the menu. Just pause if you want to read for a little while. Lots of options, lots of gluten-free. All right, of course they had an orange wine on the menu, so I had to get it. And South Pellegrino, we're just sharing this one. All right, gluten-free, the delicata. And I went with the bologna. Pesto, arugula, mortadella. Wow, that looks fantastic. All right, let's dive in. What do we think? Very, very nice. Gluten-free, light, crispy, light sourdough taste. Oh man, this is a great sandwich. 5 out of 5. All right, guys. That was, let me get the sign behind us, one of the best sandwiches I've ever had in my life. You've got to check this place out. I think it says something when you are full from eating and you're already looking forward to coming back again. So appreciate the service in there. Everything was good. Everything was fresh, Italian. Oh, loved it. So hope you guys check it out and enjoy it.